Hey guys, my name's Jasmine George. I'm with the Red Sign team. This is a virtual open house. We're up here in the beautiful hills of Elk Ridge, and this is an awesome home. It was built in 1997. It's 3,200 square feet. This down over here is RV parking. Goes to the back, which is a walkout basement. It's a 2-car garage, cute little porch. The roof was updated and the rain gutters were updated in 2015. This is all new, fresh paint. The kitchen was updated in 2015 with new appliances, new countertops. Has a little walk-in pantry there. Pretty window by the kitchen sink. Play area for the kids. You can see there the basement does walk out. The water heater was updated, replaced about 7 years ago. The AC is a brand new unit from 2017. Here's the hall bath, the laundry. Master bedroom. It's a big walk-in closet. Master bathroom. Let's go down to the basement. About a third of the basement is finished. This area is not finished. This used to be a preschool. So there's a bedroom here. And this little kitchenette area. And then there's just a half bath down here because it was originally a preschool. However, there is a ton of potential because it's plumbed in the way that you could have a kitchen down here and also a full bathroom. And then it's a walkout basement and has the parking. So if you wanted to put some sweat equity into it, you could have an awesome basement apartment here.